With respect to the first point, I think that the biblical view of divine justice is retributive. And the clearest indication of that is that it's eschatological. The ungodly are said to be storing up wrath until the day of judgment. And at that point, it's too late for consequentialist theories of justice to operate. Besides that, Paul will affirm, for example, in Romans 1:32, after a list of sins, those who do such things deserve to die. That is just an expression of retributivism, that the guilty deserve punishment. So I think that's the biblical view of divine justice. With respect to the legal metaphor, while a full-orbed atonement theory will definitely include sacrifice as a very important element, and the expiation wrought by sacrifice and substitutionary atonement, I think any adequate exegesis of Paul's theology is going to require forensic categories, that this is a legal declaration, it's a legal pardon of God that removes our liability to punishment. And it's just misconceived to think of divine forgiveness as merely a sort of change of attitude on God's part, a relinquishing of anger or resentment or hostility. There is this legal pardon that takes place whereby our liability to punishment is dissolved. And so that's got to be, I think, included